I think he's gonna snatch.
Oh my god, these guys are catching it in their mouth. Watch.
Alright, here, do it again. This goose has us backed into a corner.
See, I told you.
They're not attacking us. Alright. Oh, that's my spread. That goose is honking at you. Oh, goose fight. Hey, goose, who wants it more? You want this last piece? There you go. That's all I got, guys. It's all...
Did you see it?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Nature. Alright, junkies, I'm out of bread. Oh, we should have brought more bread. Look, the mallards are out.
No, there's still the two in the water. These are two different ones. Here, watch. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Here, wait. Oh my god.
Did he get that one?
Yeah.
I didn't see. Oh, missed.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh.
Are you out?
Here's one. They're not good enough though. They're a little too, some of them go a little too far. Here. Here. Oh, he got it. This is my last piece.
Who are you throwing it at? This guy?
This guy. He's too far away.
Look how they just kind of like line up.
That was it. I'm out.
We're out, guys. Sorry, Mother Goose. Look at all the attention we've attracted. Bird party.
Get knocked over.
Yeah, these two geese have me backed up into the wire. Oh, now they're getting pissed.
Sorry guys, all out.
Alright, bird brains. Scared my girlfriend out of here. Yeah, I usually hate gulls, but...
So, okay, see that one though? That has... It's darker. The black part that has like the white dots.
not so friendly when we're out of bread.
Maybe we should have brought more. I thought that would take forever, but I guess not.
Not when you have Big Mama stalking you down.
You gave her a whole loaf.
You know?
Or a whole slice.
I had to keep her busy. She's going to peck the bag out of my hand.
See? Now, don't you believe me?
That's not attacking, that's hungry. Alright. Bye-bye, birds.